Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on comparing numbers to 20. Students need to be able to compare numbers up to 20 with respect to their size. So here we have some marbles and here we have some strawberries. How many marbles are there? How many strawberries are there? Which number is bigger? Colour the circle below with the largest number. Colour the circle below with the smallest number. Here we have three boxes, box A, box B and box C. Write the number 15 in box B. In box C, write a number which is greater than 15 but less than 20. In box A, write a number which is greater than 10 but less than 15. Here we have three squares, square A, square B and square C. Write a number in each of the above squares where each number is not greater than 20 and each number is different. What is the smallest number? What is the largest number? For each of the following, what is the smallest number? So you look at those four numbers and write the smallest one there. Look at those four, write the smallest one there. And you look at those four and you write the smallest one there. For each of the following, what is the largest number? And you write the answers in each of those spaces. So this video has looked at numbers up to 20 and we've seen how to compare these numbers.